Today, we're diving deep into a topic that has so many people talking: how to become a millionaire. We're going to break it down, step by step, so you can see exactly what it takes to hit that millionaire status and even retire a millionaire. Let's get into it. First things first. Before we get into strategies, let's talk about frame of mind. Becoming a millionaire isn't just about making money, it's about thinking differently. Many people think of wealth as something unattainable, but if you follow the right steps, anyone can do it. You've probably heard of the Millionaire Next Door. Most millionaires don't live flashy lives. They're the people quietly building wealth, living below their means, and making smart financial choices. It's not luck, it's discipline. The next key to how to become a millionaire is simple but powerful. Increase your income and maximize your savings. Whether you're starting from scratch or building on what you have, the more you earn and the more you save, the faster you can grow your wealth. Look for opportunities to earn more, whether it's through career growth, side hustles, or starting a business. Then channel that extra income into savings and investments. This is how you fast-track your path to becoming a millionaire. Now let's talk about one of the biggest secrets to building wealth: compound interest. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. It's not about making huge bets. It's about consistently putting money away and letting it multiply over time. Even if you start with a small amount, over the years, compounding can make you a millionaire. It's all about being patient and consistent. Time is your best friend here. This brings me to one of the most crucial steps in the millionaire journey: living below your means. The truth is, most millionaires don't live lavish lifestyles. They're frugal, they budget, and they prioritize saving over spending on luxuries. Think about the millionaire next door. They aren't buying the newest cars or taking extravagant vacations. Instead, they're investing their money and letting it grow. If you can control your spending, you can become a millionaire much faster than you think. The next big step is investing for retirement. If you want to retire a millionaire, you need to make your money work for you. Start with your 401k, Roth IRA, or even real estate. Anything that gives you the chance to build long-term wealth. By consistently investing in retirement accounts and letting compound interest do its thing, you're setting yourself up to retire a millionaire. The key is to start early and stay the course. It's one thing to become a millionaire, but it's another to stay one and pass that wealth on. Protecting your wealth means having a solid plan for your financial future. This could mean having the right insurance, estate planning, and setting up investments that last. Whether you want to pass your wealth down to your children or simply maintain your financial security through retirement, having a long-term plan is key to not just becoming a millionaire, but staying one. So, to sum it up, if you want to know how to become a millionaire, it boils down to a few key things. Develop the right mindset. Increase your income and maximize your savings. Take advantage of compound interest. Live below your means. Invest for the long term and retirement. Protect your wealth. By following these steps, you're not just dreaming about becoming a millionaire, you're actively working toward it. It's about discipline, patience, and making smart choices with your money. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Drop a comment below on your millionaire goals and how you're working toward them. Remember, becoming a millionaire is within your reach if you're willing to put in the work.